And thank you for watching the Dior Divas how-to video. Today I will be showing you the Dior Divas 30-day Yodi brown butt pills. You will receive 120 pills. You will take 2 pills twice a day with food or milk. With food or milk, meaning you will take some of your food in and then take 2 pills. Not take 2 before you eat or 2 when you are finished. You take them with food because these pills build fat from off of the foods that you intake. That's how fat is built in your butt, hips, and your thigh area. Okay? Thank you for watching. Before I go, you can purchase this online at www.divanation1.com. Thank you.